Hi guys, make my alright plantain with me. This is my alright plantain, and I'll be cutting my alright plantain. And I'll be adding my dry fish. I'll be adding fresh pepper. I'll also be adding fresh tomatoes. So cook with me, let's go. I'll also be adding sweet potato. I love you, good color. So this is me slicing the potato. I'm adding it inside my plantain. It's already on the fire. I'm still cutting it. I need to cut it. This food is going to be sweet. I need to add it now. Be slicing my onion, adding it. Then this is what the food look like when I have not made it. I'll be adding my red oil. Little red oil. Then I will also add my groundnut oil. Wait and see when I add my groundnut oil. So I'm bringing my groundnut oil. So this is my groundnut oil. I'm adding my groundnut oil, just a little. Okay, a little. Believe me, this food is healthy. Try this type of food at home and thank me later. I'll be adding 3 eggs. I'll be adding 3 eggs. And then I'll be adding my crayfish. Then I'll be adding my Maggi. Cook with me, let's go. This is food on fire. It's on the fire now. I'm adding my salt. This is the food cooking, boiling. The food looks sweet, right? Yeah. This is my pepper and my crayfish. I need to wash my pepper, then grind it together with crayfish. and you guys. The food is done. Let's test the food.